Doing? What are you doing? Who? Here in Howland. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Calm down. What's going on? No. Calm down. Calm down. What is it? What are you doing? You're crazy. You're going crazy here. Okay. We are. What is going on? Because you almost crashed into me. Hold on a second. Calm down. What's your name?
From Padilla.
From Padilla.
I'm going to call my law.
No. You're going to stay right here. Come back here a second. Come back here a second. Hey. No, sir. Come back here. Come back here, man. Come on. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, buddy. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Calm down.
Don't do that.
Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Come on, put your hand behind your back. It'll be over soon. Put your hand behind your back.
They're gonna kill me.
Nobody's gonna kill you.
They wanna kill me.
It ain't working, buddy. It ain't working.
They wanna kill me.
Wow,
They wanna kill me.
Calm down, we got one customer. You okay, sir? You bleeding?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Oh, I am. You're bleeding?
You good?
Yeah.
Everybody okay?
We're going to rescue.
Hey! Relax. Relax.
I'm in my face.
Well, nobody hit you in your face. Relax. Sit up.
That's for me, buddy. You hit me. You hit me.
Sit on your butt. Get up and sit on your butt.
Help me!
Get up.
Help me! Help me! Look it up on me! You okay? I don't hear you, man.
Taser deployment?
Yeah. You okay?
Huh?
Help me!
Where'd it go? That's right there.
Right here. Help me! Help me!
Car?
Hey!
Check him. I got blood all over me.
Yeah, me too. Okay. Don't leave me at all.
Broke my brand new glass.
Hey!
Son of a bitch.
You check my house.
Get in the car here.
Hey!
Check your
heart. Hey!
Check
your heart.
What happened?
I was at the intersection and they started fighting. I guess they resisted.
Oh, okay. So you're just a witness bystander?
Witness. I pulled in here. This is his truck and the dog jumped out, so I put the dog back in the truck.
Oh, okay.
So
Can I get...
Yeah, I'll leave you my... I ain't going nowhere. This is a gentleman that helped maintain him over there in that truck right over there.
Okay.
But I was here.
You good, sir?
Your officer was just talking to him.
Yeah.
He shoved your officer, tried to run away. Your officer grabbed his hand, punched your officer. He tried.
Got turned off in the fight.
Yeah, he did nothing. I was sitting at the light. He was talking to him.
No.
The guy tried to run away. He grabbed his hand and swung on your officer.
You okay, everybody?
He used to be nice. He's not a
Yeah,
bad.
right. I would like to see, he'd seen nothing.
He came out pretty quick though out of that truck.
Yeah,
though.
he was
It's
trying
I
to
didn't know if
check
he had
his
something
owner.
in there.
What's up, buddy? Are you good,
Does
boy?
he have any probes in him?
He's got 3 of them.
Maybe. He took 2 cartridges.
Yeah, the first one only put 1 in.
One in, so I hit him with the second cartridge.
They're not going
He
on.
just
Hi,
ripped him
Mama.
out.
Hi, little Mama. It's a good
It
girl.
stopped working?
Actually, the first shot you fired only put 1 in him.
Yeah,
One of
the
them missed.
Yes. He came out of the car wanting to check daddy.
Yeah, I bet.
What's up, boys? I need to check to see if there's an ID in here.
Here,
You want to come on out, buddies? You want to come on out?